Mom, can I go out to play?
Yes. Be kind and be careful.
I feel excited. I want to play today. Hi, friends.
Hi!
Hey, what are you playing today?
Kevin, look at my new toy!
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's awesome!
Wow. Let's play with it. Can I try it?
Yes, let's do it! Ready, set, go!
This is fun.
Wow, that's nice.
My turn now.
Wait, I want more time.
No, Kevin, that is not fair. It is my toy.
Let's leave.
I feel angry.
I am alone now. I feel angry. I feel so hurt. Why did they go? Maybe I was wrong. Yeah. I am going home. I don't want to play anymore. I am home now.
Hi, Kevin. Did you enjoy playing?
I think you had a fight with your friends. Can you tell me what happened?
I want to be alone. Please go away.
Okay, Kevin. I'll give you some space.
I feel bad inside. I feel upset. Everything feels wrong. I want to be alone. I feel so very angry and sad now. I don't like anything now. I don't like anything.
Kevin, what was that sound?
Nothing, Mom.
Kevin, talk to me. What happened, dear?
Do you feel angry? Why are you so sad? Come here, dear.
My toy is broken.
Oh, Mom will buy you a new one.
Do you feel angry?
A little bit.
It's okay to feel that way. Do you feel sad too?
Come with me.
Do you want to eat something?
Yes, I do. Thank you, Mom.
Eat it slowly, dear.
Now tell me what happened.
Tina was angry with me.
Is that so? Why?
Because I took her toy.
Okay, let's go out.
Yes. Mom, I like walking with you. The weather is so nice. I like it.
Kevin, you must share your toys with your friends.
Okay, Mom. I am sorry for what I did.
It's okay, I forgive you.
Take this. Let's play with my toys.
Here we go.
It's going so fast. Let's make it go faster.
Okay, Kevin, I am going home.
Okay, Kevin, did you enjoy? Tell me, how was it? Was it fun?
Mom, Tina played with me. I am so happy.
That's nice.
Yes.
You had a nice time.
Yes, I had a nice time. Mom, I want to take a shower.
Okay, good boy. You change to pajamas now.
Okay, hungry. Eat well.
Eat your food, sweetie, and then it's time for bed.
Okay, Mom. Almost done brushing.
Wash your hands properly, dear.
Okay, Mom.
Scrub between your fingers, too. Yes, that's perfect.
Mom, I am feeling sleepy.
Sleep well. You have school tomorrow.
Good night, dear.
Good night, Mom.